Hello and welcome to the tutorial on setting up an unattended robot. First, we will log into the virtual machine that will serve as our unattended robot. Then, we will install the robot. Detailed instructions for the installation can be found in the Robots menu. Downloading a robot may take a few seconds. To connect the robot with HQ, add a new robot and provide a name, dedicated resources, and advanced options such as logging out after the robot finished and video streaming options. After adding the robot, the client ID and secret will appear. Do not close this window, as you will need it during the installation. Start the installation of the unattended robot. You can find the tenant name in the URL of your HQ. Copy the client ID and client secret, and provide the robot username and password. Now your robot is available. Go to the process and run the process unattended from the test or production stage. We are now on the virtual machine, so we can see that robot starts immediately. We can see our job is finished under completed jobs. You can view the log file and download it as well. Now we will log out from the virtual machine. On the home page, only production jobs are visible. To make a job visible, publish it to production and run it again. Now we can see how our robot is executing the process unattended by real-time video streaming. We can abort the process at any time if needed. Now, we will show you how you can directly update a new robot from HQ when it becomes available and restart the robot virtual machine remotely. To be able to update remotely, you need to install the robot monitoring tool to your virtual machine. Let's go back to our virtual machine and install the robot monitoring tool. This is not necessary for the robot's work, but it will help you with support and ensure that you always have the latest robot version because robot update can be initiated from any location with internet access. After the download is finished, we will sign out from the virtual machine and try to update the robot. We publish a new robot version and, as you can see here, an update button has appeared. Click on it and wait. You can see the logs what is happening. Once the update is complete, you will notice that the robot version has been updated to the latest version. Now we will restart the virtual machine remotely to show you how easy it is to do so. Let's now restart our virtual machine remotely from HQ. The robot won't be available during the restart. After the restart is finished, our robot will be available again.